Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video, we are going to show you how the things are easy, how it is easy to display an internet table contents, right? And we thank, first of all, let me acknowledge that I got the help from the cast and code. The link is given below here, right? So I've seen it, and I got inspired that I should present it to you. That uh, the topic is how to display the internal table contents quickly and how easy it is using the ABAP. Okay, code. Okay. So let's start and get connected to SAP as usual, as we do here, right? And once it settles down, we can choose our code. This is in a common category, nothing to do with any other module. Just so it is a way how to write a flight report, right? Uh, Connecting the three tables, joining, okay, bringing the records in internal table, and then printed it. Okay, so SE38 is our T code. That's fine. Okay, so let's execute it. So here we are, and it is now processing. It is going to SE38. It is executing it, and it has used the output display. Simple this. It collected all the information from different tables, three different tables. One is regarding the carrier, the other is regarding the destinations and connection code, and the third is getting the description of the city from in two. So all joined together in um, in the select command, and the into clause of the select command is to a internal table, and then only one command that displays this output, this lovely output. You don't have to use any write statement sort of thing, which we have been doing, or do or loop while command to loop through everything, bring the data into the work area, and then plot them into the output and until the end of the loop. So no need of all such things. Just single command that takes you the desired output quickly. Okay. So we are going to show you how it is easy, how simple it is. Okay. So let's get back to SE38. What we did. This is the code, right? Let me show it to you. See, this is a short code. It's directly starting the select command, right? Using these three tables. One is the S flag. This is SAP table available in the iDesk. Okay, S flag, and the next is this carrier, right? The Lufthansa or American Airlines, etc. What can be the carriers, right? And the last is fleet. Now, this is the flight in which the destination uh, and uh, the starting and ending of the journey places, right? So they are connected, and then these are the allies which are used to determine that from which table it is. One, this F is one, then C is the second table, and S is the third table, right? And the joining are done in two forms, as you can see. One is left outer join, the other is inner join. Inner join we had already mentioned you in our previous data, and we showed you how it works. Uh, the difference between these two join is that inner joins requires that all the tables have to be have to have a common field, common on which it is joined. If it is field is available in table one, say F, and it is not available in any of the two, so that is going to be skipped. That will not come up. Whereas the left outer join um, tells the computer to display even if one field is not found. in all the kind of joined tables. So the blank field will be shown. In case if some field, some element is not found, so it will be shown in the output, right? So this is the difference between the left join and the inner join, right? So in the end, all the selected records are going to be targeted into the target table, that is the internal table, and which is just defined using the data escape with the escape code, right? And this is the internal table, and this is the command which we want to share it with you. That this simple command is the great command, which does the job of the complete write statement or the loop while come on the loop of multiple statements to run through all the internal table records and until the end of the record set. So this ensures that everything in the internal table is listed in the output, TL demo output, right? This is the way in say. All you need to do is just mention your internal table in the brackets. Make sure there is a space before and after. This is the syntax, and it terminates with a dot. Okay, so this is now let's go to our previous program, right? And we will let me change. Let me change this again, and I pick this. And what I will do that I will put this command in place of our already used command. For example, we go to the joining of Mara. So this was the program. So let's change it and put this output command. And where should we do it? So this is the command. So here we disable this command. We don't need any. And these are, if we simply need what we have in the internal cloud, all we need to do is, first of all, comment it. We should know how to comment or disable these commands. So press Control and less than sign, that is, and comment means these will become disabled by putting a star. If you press Control and greater than sign, so it will undo it, right? So I am putting a star before it so that we tell the computer that we do not need this command for the moment, okay? And we press Control greater than sign to uncomment it. So this is here we want to tell you that we are using uh, internal table that is here, yeah, the same internal table, but we are using to be on safe side. Here we do not need, but just to tell you that sometimes it doesn't work if you remove these brackets. Right? So it's always good to include them. It will still work if we remove them. It will still work. But I have seen in my experience that if we sometimes when we forget to include these braces, it will not bring anything or it will give you an error. Okay. So this is the output command, right? And all you have done is that, and you do not need anything related to, for example, the uh, work area. Yeah, even the work area is not required. So let's put a full stop in here, right? And we and comment it. Control less than sign. Yeah. And what else? One more work area thing is here. So let's remove this as well. Since we do not need any of this, so this is now redundant. So we are closing it. Okay. So let's save it and check if we have made any mistake. No mistake. Okay. So it is corrected. Now we can activate it. Okay. So let's activate. Okay. And we execute it. So it's running. And we specify that we need for the company code 001, and we want, for example, everything with the material type, say, help, semi-finished, and execute it. So all the semi-finished material have been listed with the use of single command that gives you the desired output within no time. And this is a wonderful thing you can do in ABAP. You don't have to write much code. And if you are only interested in listing down the internal table, just use this command. Okay, why this is coming? Because we have not use the commenting in here. So you can also and comment this part as well, which was printing the heading. So let's put to control minus. So this is commented, right? So we save it and we activate it. Okay, we activate it directly because it's right. Okay, and then we run it. So we can have same report. For example, we want third, third. Okay, that's so all the finished goods. These all are the finished goods listed, right? So with the help of just single command, no need to write anything. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.